Welcome back to another episode today. Today we're going to do a 1 versus a 5 seed. 5 seed, right? Yeah. Okay. How the Alien versus Overhaul is going to be a really good one. This is going to be probably an easy ball for How the Alien. What do you think about this one? Bye one. Oh, yeah. This is going to be a good one. I think How the Aliens, if we're going to win this one, go to the top 8 and go to the quarterfinals. It's 11-1 this year. Had a better record than it did last season, so that's good. Yeah. Welcome back to another video, everybody. Today, we are going to do this battle. Use the stats for this battle. You can pause any time to see it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's get started. On to 16, back at it. This is going to be really fun. I really like this one. Both of them spin really well. I like the designs. But one of them's also stronger than the other. So I don't know. I might be surprised. I didn't want to do a vote for this one because I felt it was obvious that I think How they will win this one. On a 16. Get that out of our face. Anybody still officially in? Oh, now it's out. Dang. Let's put the end like that. Stop motion. And that's a knockout. Yeah, I didn't know it would be just so instantaneous of a knockout there. Let me get to that tournament. Let me find it. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. This won't right. This won't right. Okay, now it's right. This isn't right. 2 ways. Okay, goodbye.